Hey everybody, great that you're back. Today we will have a look at the new Sofirn SP33. It's the newest version of the SP33. So what is the difference compared to the old one? The old one only went up to 1080 lumen. This goes up to 2500 lumen in the turbo mode, which is extremely bright. It has a bigger battery inside. It now comes with 26650 battery, which goes up to 5500 milliampere, which yeah, it's a pretty big battery and has a lot of power. But you can also use it if you have a 1800 650 battery. You can also use it with this adapter. You simply slip it in there and you can use it with the other battery too, so that's no problem. What else is in the box? In the box is this battery charger, which goes for quite a few of these batteries, not only for the big one. You can change, I don't know, can you see it? Here are the different battery styles you can have. It comes with a USB cord, of course, to connect the charger to your computer, to your plug, whatever. It comes with a lanyard and with two extra O-rings. Can you see them in there? So to keep up the waterproofness of this thing. The lanyard can be placed in here, but you can also put a different O-ring in there, what I sometimes like to do, and then you can put all kinds of other stuff on there, and you can also put this kind of stuff in there, so you can, you know, place it on your backpack or whatever. So, but let's go into the specification of the SP33. This is not an everyday carriage flashlight, at least not for me, because it's way bigger than the small ones and it's heavier. With a big battery, it weighs up to 240 grams. So it's a nice amount of weight you have in your hand, but it feels very well. It is extremely well manufactured. It looks great. There are no, it feels great in your hand. The LED is placed nicely in the middle. The reflector is great. Everything is manufactured very well. There's nothing I can say about that. It's awesome. You can stand it on the tail. You can stand it on the top. No problem at all. Let's see some specifications here. The manual comes in few different languages. I hope the camera catches it sharp enough. So if you put on the pause button, you can see all the different things. It goes from 15 lumen up to 2500 in the turbo mode. You can see the battery, how long it lasts in the different modes. You can see the different kind of batteries. You can see how far it reaches in these modes, and it is really, really bright. So let's have a look at it. This multifunction button here, you can switch through all the different things. If you hold it for a little while, it goes into echo mode, which is already pretty bright, I think. It's not the moonlight mode, so it doesn't have a moonlight mode. So echo mode is already a very bright mode to look for things, to search some things in the tent or whatever. So in pushing it short, it switches off. If you push the button short again, it goes to the last mode it was in. So this should be, I guess, high mode. So this is medium. No, sorry, this is low, medium, high. Double click brings you into turbo mode, which is extremely bright. Do not point it on somebody's eyes except you're in danger. It is very, very bright. And double click again in turbo mode brings you to the strobe mode, which I think is not good. Because usually you push 3 times and get into strobe mode in basically every good flashlight brand. Sofirn changed it. They used to have it that way too, but now they changed it. Now you have to first go to the turbo mode and then double click again to get into strobe mode. I don't like that. I'd rather have the 3 times click that I'm used to, because when I need the strobe mode, most of the time I'm in danger, so my brain doesn't work very well then. So I probably try to start this mode with pushing it 3 times, but it won't get there. So this is a thing I do not like, but otherwise it's a great flashlight. It's waterproofed up to 6 feet and 30 minutes, so you can drop it in the in a bucket of water or whatever. You can be in pouring rain with this thing, no problem at all. It is shockproofed up to 1 meter. If you, it's very well manufactured. You can also, I say, you can also use it as a weapon to hit something if you're in danger, because it's very heavy. If sometimes the turbo mode does not work anymore, it might be because you don't have enough battery power, because it needs at least 3.4 volts to enable the turbo mode. So if it doesn't work suddenly anymore, be sure to check if the battery is charged well. It also has a lockout mode, so that it won't light up accidentally when you have it in the backpack or in your pocket or wherever. So you have to push this button 4 times real fast. I hope it worked now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it flashes 2 times and it shows you, hey, no, I'm in the in the lockout mode. So if I try to switch it on now, it says no. So I have to push 4 more times again. Then it flashes 2 times and it goes in the last mode you've chosen. So there's a memory function. So if I switch it off in low mode, it'll turn on in low mode again. So that's great too. What else can I say about this light? I like it. And it's, in my eyes, it is made for camping, for hiking, for fishing, for outdoor activities where it doesn't matter if it's a little bit more heavy, this thing. And I wouldn't take it on my dog round because it's just a little too big, but on traveling or something like that, this is a great little fellow here. Another thing about this switch is it also gives you a light indicator of your battery. So if you switch it on, can you see now it's green, which means I still have more than 50% of my battery. It's on for about 5 seconds, then it turns off. If it turns red, then it means you have between 20 and 50% of your battery, and it starts flashing red. You need to charge your battery then, or you need to replace the battery because it won't light very much longer. Turbo mode, you can reach by double click, and it stays in this mode for 2 minutes maximum, or until it reaches 55 degrees Celsius. So there is a overheating protection in there. Then it switches down to high mode. It warms up pretty well, so it might be in hot summers that it won't be for 2 minutes in this mode. Whatever happens first will take place then. The Sofirn SP33 is a very, very good value for your money. So have a look at this flashlight. I think you're gonna like it. It offers you so much things. It is very bright. It is very well made, and it's not as expensive as other brands, but you get a really, really good quality flashlight. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I see you next time. Bye bye.